Hello guys, welcome back to our today's session, and I would like to say that today we are all gathered here for the purpose of our group discussion. And first of all, say me that how are you? Okay, so guys, I would like to give you one topic which is a very interesting, and that's all topic is all about discipline. So guys, are you interested to talk on the discipline? Okay, so guys, I would like to say something about discipline. So guys, as you know that in today's life, whoever is there surviving in their life, so that is a in that role in that life, that role is becomes the most important. That is to be has a discipline in each and every person. I think nobody is there who is a successful and that in that person there is no any kind of the discipline. So guys, am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so guys, so we will start our today's section from. Okay, yes, brother. What you say about our today's topic? Please say something about the topic.
Hello everyone, it's Nishant in front of you. Today's my topic is about discipline. Friends, I think discipline is the most important thing in our life. Without discipline, the people's I see the people's they doesn't follow discipline in their life. Like I see in my school, many students argue with the teachers and sirs in my school. I think they should follow discipline because. Mm, Without discipline they doesn't successful in their life, I think.
Okay. So, brother, want to say that without discipline, nobody can be get successful in their life. So, guys, I am agree with that brother's point that is nobody can be get a success in their life without a discipline. So, yes, Gunjan sister, what do you think about discipline, please?
So, hello everyone, it's me Gunjan in front of you today. We are gathered here for talking about the discipline. So, discipline is a key of success, and it also improve our good habit, build our character and manners also, and it also develop our perfect personality. So, and it is the way we face any difficult task. At that time we have the consistency, perseverance, and all that things. So if you have discipline, so we do easily that time that difficult situation. And a person who have lots of discipline and in a difficult situation and in a difficult task, they never ever regret, and they never ever move on, because from their childhood they make their personality through the discipline. And the student must take a lesson seriously, because their whole life depend on their behavior and discipline. So that's all about my point.
Okay, so according to Gunjal's sister, that is, if any student has lots of the discipline from their childhood, so from their childhood, that person can do any prepare it can be the prepare their self from their childhood. Am I right, sister? Okay, so Viraj brother, what do you think about today's topic, please?
So hello everyone, good afternoon. It's Miraj. My today's topic name is discipline. You know that guys, discipline is very important in our life. If you saw about school, in our school, we follow many discipline, and in college also most of the student they doesn't follow discipline. It's very wrong for they means student. Thank you.
Okay, so means according to Viraj brother, that is there is a lots of the student they doesn't follow their discipline. That's why they becomes successful in their life. Am I right, brother?
Yes.
Okay, so please Sapna, what would you like to say on our topic of the day, please?
So hey guys, this is Sapna in front of you. Today I want to talk about very interesting about discipline. We all know that discipline is very important part in our life, because without discipline we can't survive our life. Suppose if any person have more much knowledge but they have no any kind of discipline, at that time they can't survive in their life. And suppose if any person give to interview, at that time if we have disciplines, at that time interviewer think about very good thing. And but if we have no any type of disciplines, at that time interviewer also not give us job and that all thing. So we should also take some disciplines in our life, because because of that disciplines we can achieve our goal, and we can understand that many problems. And but in today's time, in today's generation, people are very selfish, and students also, they can't give means they are not give to respect to our teachers. They give us wrong answer. If our teacher asks us no any question, no, at that time we give us properly answer, because teacher is our guru and we should give us respect. And at that time if we give our properly answer no, at that time teacher also think if that student have more much discipline, he is very talented, like that the singers. So we should keep disciplines in our body. So thanks for listening me.
Okay, means according to our Sapna sister, that is, if any person has a discipline, so there is it can be directly affect on their studies, and most of the teachers also decides their rules. Means most of the teachers also they can decide their which kind of student is he from their discipline. That students means image is being captured in that class teachers. Am I right, sister?
Yes.
Okay, so please, sister, what do you say about?
First of all, good afternoon. Our today's topic is discipline, and according to me, discipline matter to anywhere and everywhere, because if we do any work with discipline, that time we success any works, and very clear we can do this work very properly. And nowadays many people behave like very rudely and very badly, means they never follow the discipline. So we should recognize value of disciplines, and discipline make us better personality. So thanks.
Okay,
Yes,
Miss
sister.
Akbar, what do you want to say, please?
Brother, you know what, in our class also and in our surrounding people also, they have more much knowledge, but they have no any type of disciplines. At that time they also lost their character, because suppose if we have more much talent and more much discipline, no, at that time we easily